Hey, it's your boy Taylor Grant with Bellator Claims Resolution. I'm here to talk to you about the denial of the day. Okay, so today, Ted of Fort Collins, Colorado writes in, we submitted a property insurance appraisal request. This is very important. We're going to talk a lot more about property insurance appraisals. We submitted a property insurance appraisal request for our roof in the beginning of August 2019. On August 26th, the desk adjuster sent an email stating that they received it, which took way longer than the 20-day period to accept and nominate someone as their appraiser. He said the insurance company would contact us on Monday. If they don't, call him back. We waited a week for a call. As of today, September 6, 2019, we have called and left multiple messages for the desk adjuster. No response whatsoever. As longtime customers of the insurance company, we are very disappointed and feel very disrespected. Yeah, that's the thing. So a lot of the stuff that we do is as a public insurance adjuster, okay? Some of the new stuff that we're doing now is actually helping clients as insurance appraisers. We're now actually certified insurance appraisers to be able to do insurance appraisals and insurance umpire work. And I know this might be new to you and it might be a little confusing, so we'll do some more videos regarding this. It's a little bit different way of handling insurance claims for properties. And so the basics of this are, if you and the insurance company disagree on the amount, so say you or your contractor says, hey, it's a $50,000 roof that needs to be replaced and it has to be done this way, this way, this way. The scope of work is different than what the insurance company is saying. So let's say you're saying 50,000, the insurance company is saying 20. Well, who makes up that $30,000 difference? Well, if the insurance company doesn't pay for your legitimate property insurance claim, then you have to pay for that difference. So we can get involved as insurance appraisers, and insurance appraisal work, we basically meet another insurance appraiser from the insurance company there, and we actually discuss the loss. It's a totally different realm of completing a property insurance claim, and sometimes it can be in your benefit, and it can be quicker, it can be less expensive. So consider that, and that's what this guy's talking about, is in the insurance appraisal world, almost every single policy gives you 20 days, 20 days to nominate an appraiser. So if we submit an appraisal demand to the insurance company, they have 20 days to get back to us. And these timelines are set as the policy. And guess what your policy is? It's a contract. So make sure you get that taken care of.